up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into the walking, let's get into the talking, let's get into the healing, the building. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, you guys, we're gonna take these railings right here and we're gonna cut them down, pretty much modify them, and put them on the back porch that I'm working at. And I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. Alright, so I got one of the railings cut down, those little metal bars. The metal bars, they go inside the top part of the railing and the bottom part of the railing. Those are the spindles. I gotta cut those down to 21 inches. This is the top part of the railing. This is the bottom part of the railing. Now in order to cut it, to make it even, I gotta cut off an inch, so that way this first spindle will line up with the next spindle. Cut. That was my first mark. I'm gonna cut it there. So I got 3 inches from here to there. And then 3 inches from here to here. That way it's even on both sides. Then I cut them down. I put it all back together. I tape it because it's not gonna hold itself no more. It won't hold itself no more since I cut it. So I tape it, and then once I hook up the brackets, then it'll hold itself together. Alright, I got the railing put back together. I got tape around it so it'll stay together. Once I put the brackets on the ends right there, and then I screw it to the post, it won't be able to go up and down or side to side. Alright, I got the post, well, the corner post in. When you put your post in, make sure they're level. Don't just leave them unlevel. Makes everything screwed up. But you screw your post down, and you slip your little cap over it. When you put your cap, then you screw the railings to the concrete, and then to each other. It's not that hard. Easier than everybody thinks. Got the second railing up. I gotta do the other 3. I also forgot to mention, when you're doing these railings and these posts, make sure you measure your middle. Even it all out. Because I was gonna use just 2 railings in the middle, but they weren't long enough, so I had to spread all 3 out and put 3 in there. So I got my last railing. I'm gonna put it together, push this bar into there, take each one of these, place it in there. Usually you don't have to do this if you're just going to put the railing or fencing up at the normal height. But if you want them smaller, you have to cut them down. And they're not meant to come apart. These, if you look, I already cut them off, but there's like a little groove that goes right there to hold these into there, so it stops it from going up and down, up and down. But what I'm doing is, like I said, once I tape them together, it'll hold itself together. Then once I screw it in, the brackets will hold it together. But this is the last railing, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, you guys, I got it finished. Looks pretty good. I had to wash it down. There was some brick dust from drilling the brick.